introduce myself. My name is Sbse and I have resided Goin Colony, Indore, MP, India. I am pursuing in the second year of BCA from Sbse School of Management. I have cleared out first year of BCA from Sbse School of Management. Let me talk about my family background. So we are 4 members including me in my family. My father name is Mr. Tarachand Jaiswal. He is a businessman, and my mother name is Mrs. Sunita Jaiswal. She is a housewife. We are 2 siblings including me. Her name is Priya Jaiswal. My hobbies are acting a cricket as well as keeping eyes on the TV, and my weakness is my fairness as well as my strength is confidence. That's all about me.